Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back here in one of the most visited and one of the most beautiful island here in the Atlantic, the Gran Canaria Island. Hello guys, good afternoon and welcome back to my channel here in Las Palmas. At dito po, dumating po tayo kagabi, mga alas 10 ng gabi, and we were advised to drop anchor. So dito po tayo sa may Gorge area ngayon. And currently, ngayong araw, we are waiting for confirmation from the port control kung bigyan na tayo ng clearance to come alongside, and they're going to provide us the pilot so that we can give up the anchor and take us in sa first na mag-alongside natin. Yan po guys, while we are at the anchorage ay papakita ko lang po sa inyo ang view kung saan po kami nakapag-angkorahe at kung ano po yung makikita po ninyo sa may Gran Canaria Island, especially in Las Palmas. So while we are waiting for our clearance or go signal from the port control na mag-alongside na kami, and waiting for the pilot to come on board and take us in sa may puerto. So yan, papakita ko lang po sa inyo yung overview. Sa ECDIS, makikita po ninyo yung lahat ng mga barko na naka-alongside na, at the same time yung mga nasa angkorahe pa. And finally, we were given a green light by the port control to come alongside, and nagpadala na po siya ng piloto sa atin, and we are underway in making way, proceeding to the quayside kung saan tayo mag-alongside. So kung makikita po ninyo, papalapit na po tayo sa may puerto, at dahan-dahan na nating makikita at masisilayan yung Gran Canarias Island or dito sa may Las Palmas. So yan, bali dahan-dahan na po tayong proceeding dyan kung saan tayo mag-alongside, at dyan makikita po natin yung mga drill ships noon kung saan ay talagang isa sa mga pangarap ng mga DPO na kung saan ay gustong magtrabaho, at dito ay halos lahat naka-alongside at nakatali na lang because they are on layup status. So yan po. So yan, naka-alongside na tayo, and the D-Day for the crew change today. So yan, hihintay na lang natin yung daylight at parating na yung mga on-signer. So yan po.